Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to maths class. So this is the class for the continuous in that chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.2. So in your previous class already we completed that first two questions in first Roman only. Okay, and we are thorough in that trigonometric table. Okay, 0 degree to 90 degree for the 6 trigonometric ratios, sin theta to cot theta. Okay, sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, like that. And I give you that, and I gave you that one trick also. What trick I gave you? 0, 1/4, half, 3/4 and 1. Want to take a square root of every numbers and to get the first sin theta values. Okay, and cos theta is a reverse for that. What? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. It is a reverse of cos theta. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and then cos 90 is 0. And tan theta, how will come, student? Sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. Yes. Then cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Finally, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, or otherwise cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So these and all we are thorough in that in your previous class. Let us move to our next problem in exercise 8.2. Okay. Yes. Exercise 8.2, the third question I am going to give you now. So the third question is cos 45 degree whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. And one more sum, fourth one, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree, the whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay. So when we are entering this problem, and before that we should thorough in the trigonometric table, otherwise we can't move in single shape. Okay, without knowing trigonometric table we can't do that sum. Okay, yes student. Now look at the sum. Cos 45 degree the whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Yes students. Okay. Now what is the value of cos 45? Already I told you cos 45 and sin 45 on both also you have a value of 1 by root 2. And tan 45, cot 45, that also the value is equal to 1. Okay, 45 degrees on both also will come in the same only, no? Yes. Okay. Now cos 45 degree you have a value of 1 by root 2, then secant 30 degree. So when you know the secant 30 degree, and before that you should know that cos 30 degree. Okay, if you know that, already I told you sin theta and cos theta. Main thing, sin theta if you know means the next consecutive values easily you can find. Yes students. So that's why I tell you that secant 30 degree, and before that you should know cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? You know that root 3 by 2. Okay. So root 3 by 2, the secant 30 is the reciprocal of 2 by root 3. And finally cosecant 30 degree. So cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Okay. So sin theta, I mean sin 30 degree which is equal to 1 by 2. Then cosecant 30 degree which is equal to 2 only, that's all. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to substitute the values. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, the whole divided by secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 degree, already I told you, plus 2. Okay. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication in the denominator to get 1 by root 2 the whole divided by 2 ones are 2 plus 2 root 3 the whole divided by root 3. Now the first fraction is 1 by root 2, and the denominator fraction want to become a reciprocal. So it will come, what will come? Root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, so for that I am going to multiply directly to get the answer. Root 3 by root 2 into root 2, I mean 2 root 2. Root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. Then plus 2 into, what is that? Root 2 into root 3, which is equal to root 6. Root 6. Okay, now I am going to multiply this 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Why means you want to multiply the conjugate factor. Do you know what is the conjugate factor? That is, what is the denominator you have, we want to take a plus mean minus. Already you know that rationalizing the factors in the chapter number 1, no? So that is the continuous. Okay, so which is equal to, and directly you need to multiply root 3 into 2 root 2, it will come 2 root 6. Then root 3 into minus 2 root 6, it will come minus 2 root 18. The whole divided by, you have the format of in the denominator a plus b into a minus b. And you know the formula, a plus b into a minus b, what will come? A square minus b square. So for that, 2 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 6 the whole square. Okay, now 2 root 6 minus, see 18, do you know what is the factors of 18? 9 2s are 18. Okay, so that 18 I am going to write root 18, which is equal to root of 9 into 2. So that is 3 root 2 will come. Already you have 1 2, no? So 6 root 2 the whole divided by 2 root 2 the whole square is, what will come? 2 square 4. Okay, so 4 into 2 8. Okay, then 2 root 6, you have a value of 2 square 4, then root 6 the whole square 6. So what will come? Root 6 square 6, 2 square 4, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Now see, if you want to take 2 outside in the two terms in the numerator, you are going to get it root 6 minus 3 root 2. Whole divided by 24 minus 8, you know 16, which is minus 16. So 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16. Finally, you are going to get the answer root 6 minus 3 root 2 the whole divided by minus 8. And the denominator we are not going to get the negative answer. So for that I am going to change that numerator for the signs. Now what will come? You know, yes. So 3 root 2. See, 3 root 2 minus root 6 the whole divided by 8. The whole divided by 8. So this is a value of cos 45 degree whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Okay, have you got it, children? Shall we move the next one? Okay. So the next question is, listen carefully all of you, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree the whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay, so already I told you, you have to thorough in the trigonometric table. So now I am going to substitute. Sin 30 you have a value of 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 and cot 45 on both also equal to 1 minus cosecant 60 degree, and before that you should know sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So now 2 by root 3 will come. So the whole divided by secant 30. So secant 30 mean, and before that you should know cos 30. Cos 30 what ba? Root 3 by 2 ba? So it will come 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is a, what is that value? Cos 60, 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Okay, now you are going to simplify the numerator and as well as the denominator. Listen students, some of the students make mistakes on the simplification. See, 2 root 3 is there, sir, and there also 2 root 3. Shall I cancel this 2? And 1 by 2 in numerator and 1 by 2 in denominator. Shall I cancel this like that? Some of the students going to commit the mistakes. But don't do this. Why? Because of you have a numerator the 3 terms. So in the 3 terms we need to simplify, then only we have to do in the denominator. It will not cancel. Okay students, yes. Now see, 1 by 2 plus 1, you know, half plus 1 is a 3 by 2, no? So to take a cross multiplication of this to get 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3, the whole divided by, as per the same in the denominator also, 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication in the numerator and as well as the denominator. So 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 2 twos are 4. The whole divided by 2 root 3, which is whole divided by, you know, 2 twos are 4 plus 3 root 3, the whole divided by 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3 is a common denominator, so we are cancelled. Now what is the remaining? 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay. Now I am going to take a conjugate factor of the denominator to get 3 root 3 minus 4, the whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 into, what will come? 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay students? Yes. Now listen, what do you want to do? Multiply. Okay, see, this is a 3 root 3 minus 4 and that also 3 root 3 minus 4. Shall we consider a minus b into a minus b equal to a minus b the whole square? And you know the formula, a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So for that, 3 root 3 the whole square plus 4 the whole square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4, the whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So for that, 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 the whole square. Okay. Now 3 root 3 the whole square is 3 square is the 9 and root 3 the whole square is 3, 9 3s are 27. So 27 plus 16 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 root 3, the whole divided by, so the same 3 root 3 the whole square is 27 minus 16, 27 minus 16. Okay, now you want to simplify 27 plus 16, this what will come? 27, 37, 43, yeah? Okay. Now 43 minus 24 root 3, the whole divided by 27 minus 16, you are going to get it 11. Okay, 11. So this is your final answer. What is your final answer? 43 minus 24 root 3, the whole divided by 11. This is the final answer for sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree, the whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So these two questions also you want to recall your rationalizing factor, which is conjugate factor. Use that concept only, we are going to simplify in final. Some of the students stopped up to this step. Okay, you can't do that. Okay, why? Because of you have a rationalizing factor in that final step. Otherwise you are going to lose the mark. Okay, yes student. And the next question is we are going to see. So the next question, fifth one in the first Roman. Okay, that is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree, the whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, yes. Now listen all of you, you have a numerator and denominator. One more thing is, and the cos square 60 degree mean how to do, you know students? Cos 60 the whole square, that is only cos square 60. Okay, yes. Now which is equal to 5 into cos 60 degree the whole square plus 4 into secant 30 degree the whole square minus tan 45 degree the whole square, which is whole divided by sin 30 degree the whole square plus cos 30 degree the whole square. Okay students, if you want to write this step, write, otherwise directly you have to substitute. That is your wish. Okay, yeah. Now 5 into, do you know the value of cos 60? So the cos 60 which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into secant 30. So when you are going to see that secant 30, and before that you should know cos 30. Do you know the value of cos 30? That is root 3 by 2 the whole square minus tan 45 is 1, so 1 the whole square. The whole divided by sin 30 you have 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos 30 is the value of root 3 by 2 the whole square. Yes students, now I am going to simplify. 5 into 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 3 by, what will come, 3 by 4 secant 30, sorry, secant 30 is the value of 2 by root 3 2 by root 3. Why? Because of, see, cos 30 only root 3 by 2 and secant 30 is the reciprocal of cos, so 2 by root 3. So 2 2s are 4 by 3 minus 1 the whole divided by 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 the whole square is 3 by 4. Okay, yes. Now I am going to simplify this to get 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1 the whole divided by, add and get, you have a same denominator, so 1 plus 3 4 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4 cancel. Okay, now what is the remaining? 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Okay, by 1 only coming, it's no need. Now you have a denominator to take a LCM, that is 12. So for that I am going to multiply 3 on both numerator and denominator to get 5 3s are 15. And next here the denominator number is 3, so you need to multiply by 4. So to get 16 4s are 64 minus, you have denominator 1, nothing, so 1. So multiply and divided by 12. So minus 12. Okay, now add and say 15 plus 64 is 79 minus 12 is, what will come, 63, sorry, 79 minus 12 65 the whole divided by 12. So what is your final answer? 65 by 12 is the value of 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree plus minus tan square 45 degree the whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Then the next question student, example 6. Example 6. Okay, it is a different question, an important question. Listen carefully all of you. In a triangle ABC, you have the measurements. What is given? Tell me. In triangle ABC, right angle at B and AB which is equal to 5 centimeters. Then angle ACB which is equal to 30 degree. Okay, angle ACB means the center angle. C only no, that is 30 degree, and AB is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to find the length of AC and BC. This BC and AC. Okay, so these two values you are going to find. And before that, see, in right angle triangle you need a 3 sides: hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. Here what is having, you have what is that you have? Opposite side. Yes, I have opposite side, and I am going to find the hypotenuse and as well as adjacent side. Adjacent side. So these two values I am going to find, students. Okay, it is very simple. You have opposite side. So based on opposite side, which theta you are going to use? Sin theta and cosecant theta is simple. Or otherwise tan theta and cot theta also sometimes taking. So initial sin theta only enough. Okay, so sin theta which is equal to, in triangle ABC you have a sin theta which is equal to opposite side divided by opposite side what? AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, now it is very simple. Sin 30 degree So sin 30 degree which is equal to AB, you have 5 whole divided by AC. Whole divided by AC. Now you have a value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 which is equal to 5 by AC. Now I am going to take a cross multiplication to get AC equal to 10 centimeters. AC equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, now I find the value of 10 centimeter in the hypotenuse, the length of AC, length of AC. And then next I am going to take cos theta. Okay, so cos theta which is equal to, you have adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is the ratio for cos theta, yes or no? Yes. So cos theta equal to BC the whole divided by what? Hypotenuse AC. Now I have a value of theta is 30, so cos 30 which is equal to, you have BC. How much is BC? You don't know that BC. So BC the whole divided by AC. AC how much ma? 10. Okay. Now what is the value of cos 30? So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now root 3 by 2 which is equal to BC by 10. BC by 10. Now I am going to simplify. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So root 3 which is equal to BC by 5. So to take a cross multiplication, BC which is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. 5 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So what is the length of AC? 10 centimeter. And what is the length of BC? 5 root 3 centimeter. Yes students? Yes. Now look at the book page number 185. It is given in the different type. That also you have to take. It's not a problem. In your book, they are taking tan theta, tan C. Okay. So tan C which is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. So based on that you have to find the adjacent side. And next, and one more thing, sin 30 they are taking. Okay. If you are find one value and then you can use Pythagoras theorem also. When you have a two values and you are going to find the third value, use the Pythagoras theorem. Whichever model you have to take. Okay. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant, anything. From the 6 ratios, any ratios you have to take and find the ratio. And which ratio is your convenient, that you have to take. It is a simple thing. Okay. Hey student. And the next question is example 7. Example 7. So that is also same pattern, one small different student. Example 7. Okay. So I am reading the question. Listen carefully, all of you. Okay. Now a triangle PQR right angled at Q. Triangle PQR right angled at Q. And some of the values is given. See, what are they given? So given PQ which is equal to 3 centimeter. PQ equal to 3 centimeter. And PR is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now what you are going to find means that to find the angles QPR and PRQ. PRQ. So this is a right angle at Q only, no. So the remaining two angles, the angle P and the angle R, you are going to find now. Okay. It is very simple task to find. Okay. Yes. What is given? PQ you have up. So PQ which is equal to 3 centimeter. And PR, the hypotenuse also you have a 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. Now I am going to take any ratios, that is sin to cot, anything you have to take to find the angle. Now I am taking in right triangle PQR. Sin theta I am going to take. Okay, sin theta or sin sin P or sin R, that like you have to take. Okay, now I am going to find the first this one, sin R. So sin R which is equal to, this is the opposite side up. Okay, so opposite side is PQ divided by hypotenuse is PR. Now sin R you don't know the value of sin theta for R. Okay, and PQ you have 3 and PR you have 6. PR you have 6. Now you are going to simplify 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now sin R which is equal to 1 by 2. Now we are going to find the value of 1 by 2 in what angle from the trigonometric ratio. So take your trigonometric ratio table 0 to 931 table you have no. So in the table in sin theta rho which is the angle for 1 by 2? It is very simple. Do you know? Yes, what? Sin 30. So sin R which is equal to sin 30 degree. Now left and right side you have a sign is will be cancelled. So the R equal to 30 degree. R equal to 30 degree. Now what do you find? The angle R equal to 30 degree. So that is PRQ which is equal to 30 degree. So that's only we are going to find. So first one find up and next I am going to take again one of the angle cos theta or tan theta, that is your wish. Okay, okay, sin R. Now I am going to the same thing cos. Okay, cos P I am going to take. Okay, no, tan take. That only easy to you because you have only two sides. No, so for that two side which is in our convenience, that only you are going. Hey students, so PRQ the angle is 30 degree and next I am going to find the angle P. It is also very simple students. Okay, already I told you that 1 by 2 values we are going to take the two places. Okay, what are the places? Sin 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Okay, so that's why I am taking cos 60 degree which is equal to cos what is that 1 by 2. Okay, so that's why cos P which is equal to 1 by 2, the same value. Sin R equal to 1 by 2 and cos P also 1 by 2. Okay, so cos P which is equal to cos 60 degree, so this will be cancelled. So the angle P is equal to 60 degree. So that is QPR which is equal to 60 degree. Or otherwise you have to take one more concept. So that is take a cos theta, cos P which is equal to opposite side by cos P is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos P is adjacent side what pa? See, if you are going to take this angle is a P, this is a 30 means you have a adjacent side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 6. Okay, so that's why 3 by 6. Adjacent side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 6. If you are going to simplify cos P which is equal to 1 by 2, hereafter we have to take the same steps to find. Okay students, now finally you find the two angles also. Angle QPR which is equal to 60 degree and angle PRQ is equal to 30 degree. Yes students, the next question in the exercise, third question we are going to see. In third, given tan A plus B which is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3 and the condition is given 0 degree is less than A plus B is less than or equal to 90 degree. And one more thing is important, the angle A is what? Greater than B. Yes students, okay. Now listen, if tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, on both also is given to you in tan theta. Okay, so from your trigonometric ratios you should know the tan values of 0 to 90 degree. What are the angles? It contains root 3 and 1 by root 3. So this pattern, same question you have in your exercise example 8. Okay, example 8. So that is your homework. Okay, now I am going to take tan A plus B which is equal to root 3. So from the trigonometric table, do you know what is the value of tan theta for that contains root 3? So what is that root 3? So tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree. So for that tan and tan cancel. Okay. Now A plus B which is equal to 60 degree. So for that take equation number 1. Take in equation number 1. And next take the second thing is tan A minus B which is equal to 1 by root 3. So for that also, what value of angle? It comes 1 by root 3. Do you know in tan angle, tangent, that is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. Now tan will be cancelled. So a minus b, which is equal to 30 degree. So that is equation number 2. So from the two equation, using elimination method to solve simply to get the two angles. So the equation number 1 is a plus b equal to 60, and equation number 2 is a minus b equal to 30. Okay, it is a very easy task to cancel plus b and minus b. So 2a, which is equal to 90, you have a value of a equal to 45 degree. 90 divided by 2 is 45 degree. Now you have a value of a1, then what I am going to substitute? Equation number 1 to get the value of b. What is the equation number 1? A plus b equal to 60, then 45 degree plus b equal to 60, then angle b equal to 60 minus 45, the value of b equal to 15 degree. Now we are accepted the condition also, angle A is greater than b. So angle b is 15 degree and angle A is 45 degree. So find the angle and A and b. Okay. So this same pattern question you have a example number 8. So that is your homework. Okay. Student, next the choose the correct option we are going to complete now. Okay, the question number 2. In question number 2, see, question is given, we have a 4 options. So from the 4 options, which is our correct one, we are going to find. Now the first one is 2 tan 30 degree, the whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. And already you know the value of tan 30. What is the tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. Okay. Now 2 into 1 by root 3. The whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. So 2 into 1 by root 3 mean it will come 2 by root 3. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square means 1 by 3 coming. Okay. Now 2 by root 3 whole divided by 3 ones are 3. So 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Now the reciprocal of this 2 by root 3 into what will come? 3 by 4. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then what is the answer? 3 by 2 root 3 coming. Okay. So for that 3 by 2 root 3, I am going to take a conjugate factor, that is rationalizing the factor of root 3 on both sides, multiply and divided by root 3. So we are going to get 2 root 3 by 2 into 3. So 3 will be cancelled. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 will come which angle? Sin 60 or cos 60 or tan 60 or sin 60. So that's only you are going to substitute. That is sin 60 degree. That is your answer. Sin 60 degree. Okay, suppose the 4 options are given, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 0 like that, means how to write the value. But this question, it is up another ratio for sin, so sin 60. Got it, student? Okay. And the second question is 1 minus tan square 45 degree, the whole divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay. Now tan 45, you know, very simple. What? 1. So 1 minus 1 the whole square, whole divided by 1 plus 1 the whole square. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by anything, you are going to get 0. Okay. Yes. And tan 90 also giving, some of the students having some misunderstanding for that tan 90 also 0, not like tan 90 is not defined. Okay. Tan 0 only 0. Okay, students. Yes. Now the third question is sin 2a, which is equal to 2 sin a, is true for when the angle what? 30 or 0 or 45 or 60 degree. You have a 4 option. Now I am going to substitute. Okay. So sin 2a, papa. Okay. Suppose you are going to check by 0, 90, 30, 45, 60, anything. Okay. Sorry, 60. 45 it will not come, but definitely. Okay. Then what will come? 30, So just try 30. When a equal to 30 means sine 2 into 30, which is equal to 2 into sine 30 degree. So sine 230s are 60 degree, which is equal to 2 sine 30 degree. And sine 60 degree, you know what? Root 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. So which is not equal to. So sine theta is 30 degree is not equal to. Not possible to get that identity. What is that? Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. Okay. And next 60 also you get it the same thing, pa. Shall I try 0 degree? Yes. So sine into 2 into 0 degree, which is equal to 2 into sine 0 degree. It is very simple. 2 into 0, 0 va. So sine 0 equal to 2 into sine 0. Sine 0 what pa? 0. Sine 0 degree is 0. So 0 equal to 2 into 0. 0 equal to 0. So which is only satisfied. So the angle A is equal to 0 degree. Angle A equal to 0 degree. And the fourth question also, you have the same concept of fourth question, 2 tan 30. It's the same for that first question, but one is missing, that is plus and minus. Instead of plus, they are giving minus. Okay. Yes. Now listen, 2 into tan 30, you know, 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Okay. Now 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, now 1 by 3, yeah. Okay. Now 1 minus 1 by 3, what will come down? 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. Now I am going to take her as reciprocal, 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So 3 by root 3. So in 3 also, sometimes I am going to take root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. Okay, because irrational into irrational, you get it that rational for the same number like terms, no? Yes. So by root 3. So root 3 cancel. So root 3 only is the final answer. But you have a 4 option not like that. So in 4 options are given cos 60, sin 60, tan 60, sin 30. So from the 4 options, you have the correct answer is tan 60. Why? Because of tan 60, which is equal to what? Root 3. Okay. Yes. Now finally the fourth option I am going to give you that true or false. Okay. Yes. Now state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. It is not, pa. Why? Because of angles A and B. Suppose if you want to check this identity, means take A equal to 30 and B equal to 60, like that any values you have to take and check. It is not equal to only coming. In your higher classes, you have one very important formula, sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Then cos A plus B and cos A minus B. It is different from that. Okay. So I will give you later for that formulas. So it is false only, pa. So the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Yes. Sin 0, 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Okay. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Then sin 90 is 1. So it is increasing only. Theta will be increases, value also will be increases. So it is true. Now the value of cos theta increases that as theta increases. It is not, pa. Cos theta is decreases only from the trigonometric table. So that is false. Okay. Then fourth question, sin theta which is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. All values of theta is not equal to. It is false. One and only value which is equal to what? 45 degree. Sin 45 which is equal to cos 45. What is that? 1 by root 2. So that one and only value which is equal to sin and cos. Okay. Then the last one, cot A is not defined when A equal to 0 degree. Yes, it is correct only from the trigonometric ratio. Okay. Yes, student. Now we have completed the exercise 8.2. Okay. And the next class we are going to see the exercise 8.3. Yes, student. Yes, students, complete your classwork note and worksheet also. Then we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, students.